Hello children, welcome to online session. This is Shailaja.S.S from Upper Public School. I am handling math subject for 5th grade and already we have completed 4 chapters in Google Classroom. And today I am going to explain it is 5th chapter fractions. In the first one, introduction of fractions, types of fractions, comparing and ordering fractional numbers, and addition and subtraction of fractions, use multiplication and division of fractions, multiplicative inverse, and reciprocal use of brackets. This first point is introduction of fractions. First one, introduction of fraction. Fractions means this is one whole. Okay, take an example. This is one whole, and again, when a whole is divided into two equal parts. Okay, divided into two equal parts. These divided into two equal parts. This is half is called fraction. Okay, this half is called fraction. And when a whole is divided into three equal parts, we get 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. That is, fraction is nothing but fraction is a part of a whole when a whole is divided into two equal parts. Okay, write it. Fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of the whole object. Equal parts of the whole object. See here, fractions means fraction is a part of whole. Whole means one circle. You can take one example. This is one bread. Okay, this is one bread. You can share with your friend. Okay, divided into two parts. That is, this is also half and this is also half. This is sharing is called fraction. Okay, fraction is divided into 4 equal parts. What will be the fraction, children? As already you have learned in 4th standard. Okay, already we have learned in 4th standard. This is when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts. In these, we can share 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. What will be the fraction? That is 3 by 4. What is 3 means? This is shaded part. Shaded parts. Here is shaded parts is 1, 2, 3. Here is shaded part is 3. And total parts 4. See here, whenever writing in fraction, that is total part, you have to write denominator, and that shaded part you have to write numerator. And this 3 by 4, this number is called, this above the line number is called numerator, and this line is called fraction bar or division. And this one, denominator. Okay, children. Here, don't confuse children. So many children are confusing here. Right? That is total shaded part. Okay, write in numerator. And total parts, you have to write denominator. Okay. Next one is types of fraction. Types of fraction. Types of fractions. Okay. It is types of fractions. First one, like fractions. Second one, unlike fraction. Third one, unit fractions. Fourth one, proper fraction. Proper fractions. Fifth one, improper fractions. Improper fractions. Sixth one, equivalent fraction. And seventh one, mixed fraction. Let's see one by one. First one, like fraction. Like fractions is fractions having same denominator is called like fraction. Like fraction means fractions having same denominators are called like fraction. Okay. For example, fractions having same denominator are called like fraction. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, and 4 by 5. It is fractions having same denominator is called like fraction. Second one, unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fraction. For example, 2 by 8, 3 by 9, 4 by 10. These are fractions having different denominators are called unlike fraction. Next one, unit fraction. Next one, third, unit fractions. Unit fractions means fractions having numerator 1 is called unit fractions. Fractions having numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. Is called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, 1 by 16. Here is fractions are the numerator. 1 is called unit fraction. There is fourth one, proper fraction. Proper fractions. Proper fractions means a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. Next, for example, here is because numerator is less than denominator. Okay. For example, numerator should be right here less than. That is 3 by 9. Here is numerator is less than denominator. Next, 8 by 10. Okay. Next, 9 by 15. This is numerator is less than denominator. Here also numerator is less than denominator. Here also numerator is less than denominator. Then next one, fifth, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fractions. This is proper fractions opposite it. Here is a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator. Here is numerator is because numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, and we have write a fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called an improper fraction. Example, take this one only example. Here is numerator is less than denominator. Here is numerator is greater than denominator. That is 9 by 3, that is 10 by 8 and 15 by 9. These are the example of improper fraction. That is sixth one, equivalent fraction. Fractions. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means fractions with different numerators and denominators that represents the same value of the whole is called equivalent fractions. Fractions with different numerators and denominators, that represents the same value of the whole is called equivalent fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, and 5 by 10. Okay. Next, how equivalent fraction when this that represents same value of the whole? How? See here. I will explain here. Here is 1 by 2 is the example. Example 1 by 2. Next is 3 by 6. When the numerator and denominator divide same number, 3 by 3, you get divide this number, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Next one, here they are making example 4 by 8. Divide 4 number, numerator and denominator number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. And that is 5 by 10 also, 5 ones are 5. Here fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent the same value of the whole. That is called equivalent fraction. That is next one, mixed fraction. Mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. A mixed fraction, a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, is called mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay, combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. For example, this is whole number 2, 3 by 5. That is, a mixed fraction is a combination of whole number means 2 and a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. That is 2, 3 by 5. Next, 8, 4 by 9. Okay. Next, 9, 6 by 12. This is a mixed fraction. Next, comparing and ordering fractional numbers. Next point, comparing and ordering fractional numbers. First one, example, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Here is when the numerator is same. When the numerator is same, then the fractional number that has a greater number is greater denominator is greater. Okay, next one. 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. See here also, denominator are same. When the denominator are same, then the fractional number that has numerator is greater, the divisor is greater value. Next, addition of fraction. Addition of fractions. In this, when a denominator is same. For example, denominator is same 2 by 6 plus 5 by 6. Okay, denominator are same. Now do like this addition. Next, second one, denominators are different. That is 3 by 5 plus 4 by 25. Okay, here is different denominators. Now take into 5 and get 25. Here is LCM is 20. It is 3 by 5 plus 4 divided by 25. Okay, the LCM of 5 and 25 is 25. Okay, here is LCM is 25. Which number multiplying will get denominator 25? That is 5 5s are 25, and here is 25 ones are 25. Okay, and multiply these numbers. 3 into 5, 5 into 5 plus 4 into 1 divided by 25 into 1. Next, 5 3s are 5. 5 plus 15 plus 4. Okay. Next, addition of mixed fraction. Addition of mixed fraction. Addition of mixed fraction. For example, plus 3 2 by 7. Okay. Now, improper fraction. Now we can multiply here these two numbers and add. Multiply these two numbers and add them. Okay. Now 5 into 2 plus 3 divided by 5 plus 7 into 3 plus 2 divided by 7. It is 5 to the 10. 10 plus 3 divided by 5 plus 7 3 is the 21. 21 plus 2 divided by 7. That is 10 plus 3, 13. 13 divided by 5 plus 21 plus 2, 23. 23 divided by 7. Now the LCM here is co-prime number is the multiply these two numbers. 5 7s are 35. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. That is equal to 13 here. 35, which number multiplying will get denominator 35 here? 5 7s are. Here is 7 5. 13 into 7 divided by 5 into 7 plus 23 into 5 divided by 7 into 5. That is 30 into 7. 13 7s are 91. Divided by 5 7s are 35. Plus 23 5s are 115. Divided by 35. Now 91 plus 115 divided by 35. Now add this to 5 plus 1 6, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, that is 1 plus 1 2, 206 divided by 35. This one write in QRD form. Here is improper fraction in the total mixed fraction, that is 35 divided by 206. Which number can multiply 35 into 5? 175. Okay. 35 5s are 175. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 10 minus 7 is 3. This is R, Q and this is D. writing QR. Okay, that is Q means 5, R means 31 divided by 35. Okay, this is QR uniform. This is for today's class. I hope all of you have understood and enjoyed your class. Let us meet in next class. Thank you.